It's 12 o'clock. Do you know where your children are?
You are now watching Doorbell News.
Recording.
Mesa, Arizona. So this guy comes knocking at somebody's door at 2 in the morning. Let's see what happens. Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. What's this guy want? Hey, put that back. Clarksburg, Maryland. Looks like somebody's donkey got loose. Rochester, New York. Better keep those doors locked.
We can't answer the door right now, but...
Can I help you?
Yeah, I must be at the wrong house.
Yeah.
Alright, I'm sorry. I just seen the address.
Yeah, wrong house. Get lost! Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania.
Oh, tell them how to beat the out of you in their front door. Call the cops, bro. They just beat my ass. Yeah, call the cops. You gonna have to. You gonna have to, bro. He just beat my ass, bro. And you're next. Look. Please help, bro. Help, bro. Bro, I don't want that. Bro, I don't want that. Bro, help, bro. Yeah.
Tucson, Arizona. Cleveland, Ohio. Check this guy out.
Hello? You guys got a bad door? Am I at the wrong address? I think I'm at the wrong house, boss.
Get lost! San Diego, California. Check out Grandma. Las Vegas, Nevada. Can't even leave a barbecue on your porch anymore.
I iron it up too. What, to ring me at you? Look. Hello.
Las Vegas, Nevada. Check her out.
What? You're up in there? That's crazy. I love it.
Rochester, New York.
Get the fuck away from my door.
Yeah. Get lost!
Oh, sorry.
No, ain't no I'm sorry. You've been at this house 3 times.
I didn't know. I thought it was a vandal. I swear to God, I thought it was a vandal.
No, it's not.
So, God bless you. I'm so sorry. I'm
It's
so
not.
sorry. God bless you. Gotcha. Thank you. Thank you.
Yeah, report it and send it to the.
Cause why is he trying to break into my house?
Sacramento, California.
Hey there! Tío Lazo!
San Diego, California. Check this guy out. Meanwhile in Tucson. Sarasota, Florida. Akron, Ohio.
This is the right house. Yes, it is. Bro! Oh, my bad.
St. Louis, Missouri.
Hi, we'll be right there. Sorry, we're not interested. Have a great day. Sorry, we're not interested.
Get the f off my property!
Meanwhile in Mesa, this guy's back.
Can I help you?
Hello?
Yeah. Yeah, I don't know what's going on, but you showed up at my door at 2 a.m. You're doing it again. It's now 7 a.m. Like, why do you keep coming to my house?
Is this Sharon?
No, it's not.
Okay, I got the wrong number. I got the wrong house. I was giving his address.
Okay, well, this is the second time that you've come to this house, and the first time you came is at 2 a.m. Like this, you have to stop coming and ringing my doorbell. This is not the right place.
Giving this address, but I got the wrong, but I'll figure it out. Appreciate it, though. You have a good day.
Get lost! Bossier City, Louisiana. Looks like we got a mailbox bandit here. Oakland, California.
You gotta open the door first.
So this neighbor shared this video after her son forgot his keys.
You gotta open the door. Open the door.
Can't answer the door right now.
For the peanut butter bandit.
Hey, you know that's like a cool video. I don't know how you can like edit it from there to like your phone.
Oh, I just screen record it.
Huh?
I can screen record it.
Okay. But we gotta figure out how to like
open the door. Just open the door before I start doing things to you.
Oh, I didn't know that's why you rang the bell. Where's your keys? Oh my God.
You just said they was in here. Open the door.
All right. All right. All right. All right.
You said all right like 5 times.
All right. That's the best I can get.
Oh.
I got
You said what?
I got
This is not okay. This is not okay. I'm moving planets. I don't like Earth anymore.
Make sure you thumbs up this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. New episode coming tomorrow. Thanks for watching. Doorbell News Crime Watch, coming to a neighborhood near you.
Make sure you subscribe today.
If a thief breaks in, the first thing they'll notice is your security camera. Hide your camera with Cam Masker. Cam Masker works with Ring, Wise, Blink Mini, and Nest Cam. Order yours today at cammasker.com.